Halloween has always been about more than costumes and candy. It is a season of transformation where the ordinary is reimagined into something mysterious, playful, or haunting. The Halloween tree has emerged as one of the clearest expressions of this spirit. It takes the familiar idea of gathering around a decorated centerpiece and shifts it into a new context, one rooted in shadows, imagination, and atmosphere. Unlike traditional seasonal decorations that follow set patterns, a Halloween tree isn't simply a seasonal decoration. It becomes a canvas on which people project their version of Halloween itself. The first thing people notice about any seasonal display is not the details, but the mood. A Halloween tree is no different. It speaks through broad strokes, tones, contrasts, and illumination. Color sets the emotional backdrop. Deep, shadowed palettes invite mystery, while vibrant hues create a sense of celebration. Darker shades encourage stillness and depth, evoking the feel of crisp autumn nights, while brighter ones generate energy and playfulness. Lighting becomes equally important. A tree bathed in soft, muted glow may give the impression of secrets and whispers, while one shining brightly feels bold and theatrical. What makes this layer so fascinating is its adaptability. The same tree can shift its character entirely simply through adjustments in light and tone. By focusing on atmosphere rather than individual elements, the Halloween tree becomes less about what is placed upon it, and more about how it makes a space feel. In this way, it reflects the heart of Halloween itself, the ability to alter reality, even temporarily, into something charged with possibility. If you loved these spooky tree ideas, make sure to like this video and share it with friends who are decorating for Halloween too. A Halloween tree gains strength when it becomes more than decoration, when it tells a story. Themes guide that storytelling. They act as threads that weave together choices, ensuring coherence while still allowing freedom. Some themes lean toward mystery, capturing the essence of shadowy nights and things unseen. Others lean toward celebration, highlighting joy, energy, and the playful side of the holiday. Still others might suggest timelessness, leaning into imagery that feels ancient or otherworldly. The beauty of this approach is that themes are infinitely flexible. They don't have to be rigid or literal. Instead, they serve as inspiration. A person might create a tree that suggests the quietness of a forgotten forest, the liveliness of a festival, or the grandeur of an imagined world. Each decision, whether big or small, contributes to that story. What emerges is something that doesn't just decorate a room. It transports those who see it into another place entirely. A Halloween tree designed with a theme in mind becomes more than a centerpiece. It becomes an act of storytelling, a way of sharing imagination through visual form. Which Halloween tree theme would you try? Creepy, colorful, or classic spooky? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. One of the most enduring qualities of Halloween is its ability to hold contradictions. It is both eerie and joyful, both dark and lighthearted. This duality can be mirrored in the design of a Halloween tree. On one side lies elegance, refinement, balance, and sophistication. Elegance draws on restraint, on the careful arrangement of atmosphere, and on the sense that less can be more. On the other side lies whimsy, the playful energy that makes Halloween delightful, especially for children and those young at heart. Whimsy thrives on exaggeration, humor, and a certain embrace of chaos. The magic often lies in the balance. A tree that leans too far into seriousness may feel heavy, while one that indulges only in playfulness may lose the sense of mystery. But when the two are brought together, the result can be captivating. A tree that suggests elegance while hinting at humor, or one that sparks laughter while holding just enough darkness, embodies the true character of Halloween. It shows that the holiday is not one thing, but many at once. In this way, a Halloween tree becomes not only a decoration, but a reflection of the holiday's very nature, a celebration of contrasts that live side by side in harmony. For more fun and festive Halloween decoration ideas, don't forget to subscribe and join us for even more inspiration. Placement plays a powerful role in shaping the identity of a Halloween tree. Indoors, the tree becomes part of the intimate spaces of daily life. It transforms living rooms, entryways, or gathering areas into seasonal sanctuaries. Here, the tree speaks quietly, inviting reflection, conversation, and shared enjoyment. Its presence feels personal, tailored to the household and those who experience it most closely. Outdoors, the same idea takes on a different character. A Halloween tree displayed outside becomes a signal, a beacon of festivity that extends beyond the walls of a home. It communicates with the wider world, drawing in neighbors, passers-by, and visitors. Outdoor displays carry a sense of performance, offering spectacle and anticipation. They remind us that Halloween is not only a private ritual, but also a communal celebration, something shared between individuals, families, and communities. The choice between indoor and outdoor is not about superiority, but about intention. Each setting allows the Halloween tree to tell a different kind of story. Indoors, it nurtures intimacy and warmth. Outdoors, it generates excitement and wonder. Together, they show the adaptability of this tradition, its ability to resonate in both private and public spheres, and its growing role as a symbol of the season. The Halloween tree is not bound by strict rules, nor is it defined by a single appearance. It is an evolving tradition, one that thrives on imagination and individuality. At its core, it captures the essence of the season: transformation, creativity, and a willingness to blur the line between the ordinary and the extraordinary. A Halloween tree may feel mysterious, elegant, playful, or spectacular, but in every case, it reflects the spirit of its creator and the unique way they interpret the holiday. In this sense, the Halloween tree is more than a decoration. It is an act of storytelling, a ritual of atmosphere, and a celebration of contrasts. It demonstrates that Halloween isn't only about costumes or treats. It is about creating spaces that invite wonder, spark curiosity, and carry just enough mystery to remind us why this season continues to captivate generation after generation. It is also a reminder that traditions don't always have to be inherited. They can be invented, reshaped, and personalized. What begins as a small experiment in one home can evolve into a cherished practice passed down to others. Each variation adds to the richness of the idea, proving that creativity flourishes when given space to grow. The Halloween tree symbolizes this evolution beautifully. It is flexible, adapting to different tastes, moods, and environments.